found yourself on an epic adventure, only to realize that you didn't quite capture enough footage to tell your story? Yeah, we've all been there. I've been there, but fear not, because today I am going to give you some tips on how to turn your incomplete footage into a cinematic masterpiece right now. Hey guys, Paul here, and today we are going to talk about what to do when your travel video fails a bit short on content. So let's jump right in. First things first, do not panic. It's okay. Take a deep breath and review the shots you did manage to capture. You'd be surprised at the hidden gems you might have missed on your first pass. Scrub through your footage and look for those golden moments, the ones that truly encapsulate the essence of your journey. Whether it's a breathtaking sunset or a spontaneous encounter with the locals, these shots will be the backbone of your video. Now, let's talk about storytelling. Your footage may be limited, but that doesn't mean your narrative has to be. Write your script based on the footage that you have, not the other way around. Craft your story around the visuals that you have captured. Let each shot dictate the flow of your narrative, guiding the audience through the highs and lows of your adventure. Trust me, it'll make for a much more engaging viewing experience. Okay, here's a trick to stretch out those precious seconds of footage. Slow motion. Slow motion. By slowing down your clips, you not only add cinematic flair, but it also gives your audience a chance to savor every moment. Whether it's the ripple of water against a tranquil shoreline or the hustle and bustle of a bustling city street, slow motion can turn even the briefest shots into a captivating visual poem. Now, if you are really running low on footage, no problem. Just turn to the vast library of stock footages available online. With just a few clicks, you can find high-quality clips to complement your own footage seamlessly. From sweeping aerial views to close-up shots of exotic locales, stock footage can fill in the gaps and add depth to your video. Just be sure to choose the clips that match the style and tone of your original footage. There are a lot of free resources for stock footage. The one that I use is Pexels. Although their library is not that great, but it serves its purpose. Though don't underestimate the power of the talking head like this. Take this opportunity to share your personal insights, reflections, and anecdotes from your journey. Set up your camera, find a picturesque background, and speak from the heart. These personal touches not only provide context to your footage, but also establish a deeper connection with your audience. So there you have it, some tips on how to salvage your travel video footage when you are in short supply. Remember, it's not about the quantity of the footage, it's the quality of storytelling. So until the next time, stay creative, stay adventurous, and keep on capturing those moments. Let's all learn, create, and share. Peace out. Whoa.